Imaqal, which means hear me in Somali, is a dynamic mobile and web-based feedback platform designed to connect a broad range of beneficiaries, including vulnerable communities, contractors, and vendors, with government institutions and humanitarian and development agencies in the Somali regions. It's accessible through internetless services, including SMS, USSD, and interactive voice response, leveraging toll-free shortcodes obtained from partner telecommunication companies. This is particularly relevant as more than half of the Somali population are scattered and live in rural areas. Mobile coverage is estimated at 90%, those with access to mobile at 75%. And with many unable to read or write, Imaqal is an ideal communication tool to bridge the gap. Imaqal stands for accountability and transparency, converting feedback into valuable insights. The service is promoted through workshops, displaying awareness materials at project sites, through voice broadcasts, radio, social media, and one-to-one mobilization efforts, empowering them to participate in the decision-making process with their grievances, suggestions, requests, inquiries, and appreciations. Every piece of feedback is thoroughly verified to ensure its authenticity and relevance. A key aspect of this process is the role of Management Information System officers, responsible for processing the feedback, translating it between Somali and English, including different dialects such as Maha and Mai, categorizing it using predefined categories, and then communicating it to the concerned partners for action. This step is crucial for ensuring that the feedback is accurately understood and addressed by the implementing agencies. In our role, we set up the systems, manage the relationships with the telecommunications companies, and provide extensive system trainings, technical support, system maintenance, upgrades, and, when required, we manage Imaqal for our partners. This assistance enables our partners to effectively manage and respond to feedback, creating a responsive and engaged relationship with their beneficiaries. Data security and privacy are a top priority for Imaqal and our partners. That's why Imaqal uses encryption to secure all communications, ensuring that reports cannot be deleted, and maintaining an audit trail. Hosted on secure servers or at partners' sites, we employ strict data protection measures, including password protection and differentiated access levels based on user privilege. Sensitive information is removed from feedback before public mapping to ensure confidentiality. Partners' focal person or GRM committees receive process feedback through their accounts and respond via the system. Responses from partners are translated, mapped, and conveyed back to the beneficiaries by MIS officers, establishing a transparent and complete feedback loop. Beneficiaries, through regular alerts, are kept up to date at each stage of the process. Imaqal is more than just a feedback tool. It's a critical bridge linking diverse groups of people with both governmental and non-governmental agencies. It signifies a major leap towards a more inclusive, transparent, and efficient model of community development, peace building, and good governance.